Gary Dayton, N6TLU with Gary, KI8BQ at the 2018 AM Get Together in Sturgis, Michigan. What's going on with it?
Yeah, this is our 16th AM Get Together, and we always have a lot of stuff for sale here, and it's all boat anchors and things that you can use to build your own equipment or buy some old stuff that somebody else wants to get rid of. We also have an auction that we get rid of all your junk that you don't want in your shack and auction it off for the benefit of our get-together.
And you also put on a great free lunch for everybody, right?
Oh,
Gary?
yes. Afterwards, we have Sloppy Joes and all kinds of goodies.
So it's 10 a.m. and the sales are starting up. So let's do a quick walkthrough, see what we got. I'll do it again later, maybe more will show up. Here we go.
I had to take it out of the case because I couldn't get it up the stairs. Otherwise, you know, it's 100 pounds. But it's 100.
It's a nice one.
Yeah. It's $1 per watt.
Yeah.
Get there.
It's like
But it's only putting out 10 watts these days, right?
No, not that one.
I was kidding.
I
was
it's
kidding.
also 1 pound per watt.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is
no
too,
doubt,
yeah.
man. All right, what else we got here? Okay, some Clegs. Prices are always right here at the AM Get Together. This is not eBay, people. These guys are getting ready to take things down to the auction table. We'll cover that later. Got a nice old Zenith. Yeah. Look at that jobber. It's in excellent condition. I may have to move in on that one.
She's having surgery on the first.
All right. There's Rex buying more stuff he doesn't need.
Exactly. Trying to find an excuse.
Yeah, I got you, man. Got a Valiant in here. It's a beauty.
It's a good working one.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't think you have an ugly radio.
No, this
I
stuff's
don't.
great, man.
I don't.
Yeah. Looks good,
How
man.
much you asking for the Valiant?
Check this out. Isn't that thing pretty?
It is, man. It's gorgeous.
How much you asking for the Valiant?
I'd like to try 450. I'm kind of testing the water. I'd probably let it go for 4 1/4-ish, somewhere in there. It's all been recapped. I got that from a friend up in the Upper Peninsula.
That's the Valiant you're talking about, or not?
The what?
The Valiant, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Ross.
Yeah,
How you
it's a
doing?
good-looking Valiant.
I had it on the air yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Where at?
From the shack.
I mean, where at on what frequency?
3885. Hi,
We
Dan.
got a Cyclone over here. Sorry about the shadows, guys. The sun is in front of me, so it's kind of messing with the camera. That happens every year. Also got the matching Kier Drake antenna tuner.
It's clean, it's
Yaesu
working.
Speakeroid.
Make me an offer with or without the doghouse.
Okay, so you just have the one set of coils and no extra coils.
Yeah, I have another one and I have a full set of coils with that. Yeah.
So that's the one you're bringing next year.
Possibly, yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Looks
Oh,
good.
geez, you're gonna have to hold me to it now.
Can,
He's
can I
got me
convert that
down
into a
on
little
10.
guitar amp and make everybody mad at me?
How about a pre-selector?
I think it probably has built-in distortion.
Yeah. Just doing the initial sweep here, guys.
Wait on what they want to.
What do you think? Can I make an offer on that?
Oh, let me think about it. I've
Get
got
around
this
that
free.
hat.
I don't have the
Yeah.
doghouse.
You have to take
got
it.
10
Here
tech?
you go, Terry.
What's
First
that,
time
man?
ever, Midwest
Whoa,
Classic
yeah,
Radio Net hats.
These are prototypes,
cool.
though. Prototypes.
Prototypes.
Yeah, prototypes. Yeah, we just
Frank
made
was right
made a shirt
Yeah.
and a couple hats just to try
That will
it out.
legitimize the net, probably.
You,
Don't you,
you
think?
got a website that you sell it on, or
I haven't
you just-
sold any of them. I just ordered these. I tried making an order with the old cup design. I don't really have a logo for the Midwest Classic Radio Net.
So at
So
this
I
point,
just-
you're just giving them away to people that you like me. See, you see that reaction, man?
That
I
was
get
a
that
reaction.
everywhere I go.
Yeah, it was definitely a reaction.
I'll check back with you, man.
Where's Marcia?
Right.
Mar- she's up making food, man.
Hey, never asked me for a hat.
Yeah. Right, yeah.
Look at that baby.
Right.
Man. She's rough, but very savable. Got a bunch of goodies here. Let's keep on going. Got a corn pewter. There's a Kenwood receiver. And look at this baby. Look at that. What happened to that poor thing? I would say either somebody sat there with a cigar and just blew nicotine over it for like 30 years, or maybe it was in a house fire. Hard to say.
Then I have a vertigo.
Got some stereo gear. Look at that old vintage Allied receiver. I have to talk to him about that. All right, let's keep going. Some other goodies here. Got an old scope down here on the ground. Some kind of a crazy military-looking chassis, a GE. Transoceanic. And now here, we got a free pile. Anything you'd want for free, right? Look at there. Free stuff, right? What we got back there? Rusty cabinet. Lots of chassis. Got some cables, some old capacitors, high voltage jobbers, meteoroids, tube sockets. That's one thing I always like to get a hold of, especially that one right there, because they use those in guitar amps. We got to talk about those, man. And sitting up on the tailgate is a National 183D, in need of restoration, right?
Yeah.
But it fires up, so that's a good sign. Let's take a peek under the hood. Coming up on it. There she is. It's complete. It's got the original power transformer. Definitely well worth restoring. We got to talk about that one, man. I'll be back.
Okay.
All right, so we got an Atwater Kent with the matching speaker. And then we got hood sails. Hood sails are always good. Some old popular science magazines. And I believe we even have a roof sale going on over there. Let's go check that out. All right, so we got a Heathkit SB301. It doesn't want to open. Get that job. There we go. Under the hood. Looks pretty clean. Next to it, a little Lafayette 6-meter transceiver with the original microphonium. Now, we got the roof sail. So this is a way to display your stuff. Who needs a table? Just throw it on the top of your van. Man, Rex, I just can't outrun you, man.
You got to keep moving.
I know. The multi-Almac, I know you like those.
Well, I've already got a couple, so I
Well, there's
can't
always
justify another.
there's
but
always room for more, man.
It's heavy, you know, because it's
Looks pretty good. How's the underside look?
yeah, it looks pretty decent.
Dan, how you been?
I know it's just getting too much to be on the
It's got your name all over it.
Oh yeah, I agree.
cabinet for that.
What do we got here?
That is a brand new antenna. I mean rotor.
Rotor. Okay, gotcha. Okay, little Mirage amplifier. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it
The sun
is.
is just perfect. It's not good for the lighting though when I'm shooting the video. Oh, look at this jobber. Halicrafter HT37. Gorgeous. Cut and go around the other side.
Is that part of your
It's a good thing I went around the other side. Look what we got here. Central
well, whatever your
Electronics.
speaker is, but normally 8 ohm.
It's
And
missing
you,
the magic eye.
Oh, okay, I see.
you just put an 8 ohm across your line out
Very
of your
cool.
receiver.
$300
and then from the drum and
with
the cap, you put your
the speaker.
You know, it's like regular volume control.
Inners
I
of
know
it.
it'll work
Looks
because I do
good.
it all the time.
Nice, pretty chrome. Gorgeous.
Last night. Well, thanks, Mike.
Got some heat kits here. Some transceivers. I think those are model banders, if I'm correct. Kind of a military monster. Very cool.
He says, "Oh, I'm
And a beautiful National 270.
a meeting for."
We're on the back side of this stuff.
How you
Ooh,
doing?
we got a bin down here full of goodies. All right. Whoop. Gotta watch that hat.
That's good.
Just getting it all in, man. Over there. Patterson. It's all right.
They're fine. I mean, there's other deals.
The back of the HT37.
Same here.
That's a circular cavity.
Price has
for
finally
6
hit this
meters.
stuff. Whoa. Hey, doggy.
No,
at that.
that's my wife's
It's the watchdog.
crock pot. Or
Don't get too
whatever.
close to the crock pot, right? It's what the dog's for, to protect it. There's the price on the Valiant. So if it doesn't sell here, maybe somebody on YouTube will see it and I'll sell it for you there.
Well,
Right?
it's going to go to Piatone on the 5th.
Okay.
If it doesn't sell here. I have an opportunity to go. I've never been there before.
All right. Yeah, I went down there one time. It was a great swap meet.
Yeah, I guess it is. So I know Harry's been there a couple of years ago, he said, and I got a chance to go with friends,
Cool.
some of our old Heathkit friends. So we're gonna go ahead and
Excellent,
probably
man.
do that.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds
All right.
good, man. Good luck with the sales.
Good. I like your shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks.
John's.
I'm just picking on me. We got the dogs together. Everything good there, Mark?
Yeah. Oh, there's your wife. Yeah.
Yeah.
Snickerdoodle.
Oh, she's not listening to me. There's old Happy Chezzy.
Never
Swap meet, huh, buddy? Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, I just thought everybody liked to say hi.
Oh.
Quick
Hi.
little hello. All right, that's cool.
Hello. Hi.
You having
Hi.
fun? You're not
yeah.
drinking beer yet.
Not yet.
No, Terry.
Hey, man. That's a good-looking Patterson. Rex wants it really bad. Yeah?
Yeah, but that's it. That's the way they come. I thought they had plug-in coiled or something for the extra. So what does it cover up to? Up to 30 mags?
I think pretty close. I
Really? Okay.
don't want to lie to you.
No, I don't want to be lied to, but that's okay.
Yeah. It's got beautiful dials, man.
Oh yeah, no, it's a classic for sure. And just like RME, they don't label the knobs because they say a real radioman doesn't need to have labels. They know what the knobs are for.
A sheet that they put in front of it, they called it a training sheet.
Yeah, training or a cheat sheet.
Yeah, so they didn't have to label it.
Oh, jeez. Wow. Okay.
$75 for an HC37 if you can haul it home.
Yeah, that's pretty cheap.
That is cheap.
He's coming. I didn't know he was over here. Sorry. I thought he went to get coffee. He told me earlier. He's coming. He's coming over. So.
All right, so I'm picking up this Allied receiver from Masa. And what's your call sign again? I always forget it, man.
AB9MQ.
Yeah. Now, you say that this thing is a Pioneer in disguise,
Yeah,
right?
Pioneer Disguise. It's designed by the Pioneer
Yeah.
and distributed through Allied Electronics.
Cool, man. So I'm going to rebuild this thing and then I'll feature it on YouTube. It'll be a great video, man. I appreciate it.
Great.
You know what? I was going to buy that, man.
What's a Zenith like that worth these days?
I have no idea. I know what I paid for it.
Are you going to disclose that?
Today, and that's what it's worth today, anyway.
Are you going to disclose what you paid for it?
65.
All right, good deal, man.
Fair
Yeah,
price.
yep.
I
darn
thought so.
right. It's a
A
beauty.
little wax on it, and it'll really shine up. Probably.
Yeah, and it works. That's the important part.
Good deal, man.
Yeah.
All right, good find. All right, so N6TLU picked up this beautiful Allied receiver. It's going to need some work, but it'll make for a great presentation on YouTube. So, Bob, if I help you sell this, do I get a commission like we agreed?
I don't know. I'm looking for your cooler of cold beers that you had one year.
Yeah, Marcia's got that up front.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So if I give
It's
you
a
a cold
little
beer,
early yet.
then we could deal on that Valiant, huh? All right.
I'd like to.
All right, so I'm here with Denny. I'm picking up a Johnson Viking 2 in need of repair, right?
Right.
What do you got going on with it?
Mine's no good right now.
Okay.
Loads up in CW and AM, but I got a problem with modulation.
All right. Well, it looks like a clean unit, man. Let me get it out.
Okay.
It's a 4-cam V8 aluminum. It's rated 395 horsepower. 355 years.
Yeah.
Automatic. It's got
All 80 pounds of her, man.
Yeah, you're doing better than I am.
Looks good. Let's get her in the car.
Okay.
All right, so partial payment, right? Or maybe the full
Partial
payment
Partial.
is a Atwater Kent radio with a matching speaker. There's the Atwater Kent. There's the speaker. There's that Johnson Viking 2. Man, that jobber is really clean.
It is clean, pretty clean.
There's Marcia working hard.
Oh, yes. Hello.
Yeah, I'm surprised you're not over there into that beer cooler yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
How's Chezzy doing?
Chezzy's doing great.
Yeah, he's a good boy, aren't you?
He's a very good boy.
This way. Here. Chezzy checking out the swap meet. Looking for deals for me.
Just couldn't make it. He was
Oh.
sick.
He's still looking. Find anything, Chezzy? Huh?
But anyway,
Hope you found a deal. Or maybe you found a cookie. You found something. Hey, Chezzy, over this way. Here he goes. Look for deals. Sniff out the deals. Oh, he sees Mama. Did you say
Ready
lunch?
for lunch? Ready for lunch?
Sure, man.
Are we ready?
Come on.
Let's go.
you're saying you got to have your
We're gonna have lunch. Oh, we're gonna have the auction.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Well, you gotta have the auction before you can eat lunch.
That's right.
so isn't it the rule that anything that's left just goes right on the auction table?
Yeah,
So,
anything you
Everything.
can't get rid of
You
it.
get back for your.
All right, so that's a wrap for the 2018 AM get-together down here in Stugis. If you'd like to attend next year's event, take a look at KI8BQ's website, and at the end of this video, we will post the dates and the times of the next event. It was a great time, great weather, great people. See you again.
I don't know.